Navigating the Maze of Food Allergies. A Guide to Finding Your Way Out. Food allergies, a growing public health concern, can significantly impact individuals' quality of life. The increasing prevalence of food allergies has led to a heightened awareness of the need for effective management strategies. This essay will delve into the complexities of food allergies, explore common triggers, and provide practical guidance on navigating the maze of dietary restrictions. Understanding the nature of food allergies is essential for effective management. Food allergies occur when the immune system mistakenly identifies a particular food protein as a threat, triggering a cascade of allergic reactions. Common allergens include peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, wheat, soy, fish, and shellfish. Symptoms of food allergies can vary widely, ranging from mild skin reactions to life-threatening anaphylaxis. Accurate diagnosis is crucial for managing food allergies. A healthcare provider can conduct skin prick tests, blood tests, or a food challenge to determine if an individual has a specific food allergy. Once a diagnosis is confirmed, it is important to strictly avoid the offending food. This may require careful label reading, meal planning, and potentially seeking professional dietary advice. For individuals with food allergies, navigating social situations can be challenging. Dining out, attending parties, or sharing meals with friends and family can be fraught with anxiety. However, there are strategies to help individuals with food allergies enjoy social activities. Communicating with hosts about dietary restrictions, bringing prepared meals, or opting for allergy-friendly restaurants can make socializing more enjoyable. Managing food allergies in children can present unique challenges. Parents may need to educate school staff about their child's allergies, ensure that the child's lunch is safe, and develop strategies for handling accidental exposures. It is also important to involve the child in learning about their allergies and making healthy food choices. In addition to avoiding allergens, individuals with food allergies can take proactive steps to manage their condition. These may include carrying an epinephrine auto-injector, EpiPen, in case of a severe allergic reaction, learning first aid for anaphylaxis, and seeking support from other individuals with food allergies. The prevalence of food allergies is on the rise, and there is a growing need for research to understand the underlying causes and develop effective treatments. While there is no cure for food allergies, individuals with these conditions can learn to manage them effectively and live full and active lives. By understanding the nature of food allergies, seeking accurate diagnosis, and adopting appropriate management strategies, individuals can navigate the maze of dietary restrictions and enjoy a fulfilling life.